If you've used Adobe Express at all, you'll be familiar with this Your Stuff page. You have your folders and your files. I won't discuss creating folders. I did that in the How to Organize Your Projects Using Folders video. In the box at the top right, we have a drop-down menu of views, all fairly self-explanatory. Yours, where all your projects and folders live. Shared with you will house projects you are collaborating on. Recent shows you all your projects, but without their folders. As a general rule of thumb, Adobe Express will always show yours, at least it has for me. All views will usually display the most recent project worked on, in descending order to the oldest. In the Yours view, the folders are displayed by most recent too, not alphabetically. If you move a project to a folder, it will jump to the front of the queue. We can change the view with the two icons on the right. The first is the three lines with a down arrow, the sort method. Here we can sort by date modified, date created, or the project name. We can also reverse the sort order, bringing older projects to the top. Very useful if you are amassing a large collection of projects. The second icon toggles the view between this grid and a list view, where we can see a few extra details, such as how long since a project was worked on and its size. With the three dots at the right of the list, we can access more options for that project file, such as move or delete. The Sort by Date Modified or Name option is available in the Brands and Libraries view too, along with an extra option to filter. It is in the Filter menu that we find the ability to choose our owned projects, shared with you projects, public or business storage. When you activate a filter, there will be a tiny blue dot on the icon to tell you a filter is in place, a little reminder in case we wonder where a library has disappeared to.